At Code Ninjas, kids don't merely play video games, they actively build and create them themselves, learning coding in the process.
So we wanted to have our kids, instead of being just users of technology, is to create technology. So we're teaching them the background and what actually goes into making these video games, and then they actually make some simple games to start off through our program, and then they evolve, and eventually some of our black belt kids have actually made games that are posted in the App Store.
Kids between 5 and 14 years of age start as white belts and advance their way through the various levels at their own pace.
So we have two different programs. We have our junior program, which is for 5, 6, 7-year-olds, and that's delivered in a classroom environment with a teacher. So we give them a quick lesson, they do some off-screen activities, and then they do on-screen activities. And that's great for the kids to even learn basics like how to use a mouse. A lot of the kids come in and are just used to using touchscreens. And then our older kids program is for some 7-year-olds, but I'll say 8 to 14, and that's where they're learning actual coding. So we start them in what's called block-based coding, which is very easy to understand and a quick way to understand the elements of coding, and they evolve through JavaScript and eventually through Unity.
If you aren't sure whether Code Ninjas is right for your child, you're welcome to try a free class before enrolling.
We recommend this program for any kids that like video games. I mean, if they like games, then they quickly connect with what we do. And I will tell you, one of the rewards for us, at least for Shauna and I, is that we've become kind of that place where some kids just don't fit in. Like, they've tried baseball, they've tried the team sports, they're not coordinated enough, or they just don't like that sport kind of thing, but they found their home here. You know, they're among their kindred. So that's been really rewarding for us when we talk to parents and they're telling us, you know, oh, my son, I've tried him and everything, and he doesn't like it, he doesn't fit in, he's not coordinated enough, but he comes here and he loves it. So it's super rewarding to have that. That's kind of what keeps our bucket full.
There are also many students who enjoy sports in addition to coding and find the flexibility of Code Ninja's scheduling helpful.
I think the challenge always comes when sports season starts and the parents are like, oh my gosh, okay, you got to practice. But the flexibility of our program works out really well. So if they have a practice, a tournament, a game, well, you can come in wherever there's that open spot. So it works out well for those parents that have their kids in a lot of sports, any activity really, that we have the flexibility for them to come in at any time.
Robotics and 3D printing are also included in the curriculum, and themes like Roblox and Minecraft are used to help keep kids like 8-year-old Owen interested in learning more.
I like Code Ninjas because it's fun. I like interacting with people. I can make friends, and you can meet like a bunch of new people, and then some are a lot older than you and some are younger than you, but it doesn't really matter because there's nice instructors. They teach you a lot of things. They can help you whenever you want, but you could get the hang of it.
Whether you're in Burlington, Oakville, or Milton, there's a Code Ninja location near you. Visit codeninjas.com for more. For Halton News, I'm Jessica KAITTING.